Kaya dito naman tayo. Dami ko naman mga bote. Hindi lang ito dito siya. Ayun naman. So, ito na yung ating total 8 shekels and pennies. Tapos lang natin itong green. Ayan. So, we have it now. Parang mas marami pala yung bote ko the last time. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Friends and people. Ito na kami sa supermarket.